The Cadillac Celestiq is not just another electric luxury sedan, it is a bold statement by General Motors and Cadillac to redefine what modern ultra-luxury in the electric era looks like and to challenge the world's most prestigious automakers with a handcrafted electric masterpiece designed for exclusivity, performance and technology leadership. This car is unlike anything Cadillac has ever built before. In every detail of the Celestiq tells a story of innovation, personalization and craftsmanship. It is a 5-door liftback that carries forward Cadillac's century-old heritage but translates it into a futuristic form that blends elegance with advanced aerodynamics. The body is long, sleek and sculpted to command attention on the road, yet under its refined lines lies one of the most advanced electric vehicle platforms ever created. Using GM's BEV3 architecture and powered by Ultium battery technology, the Celestiq is equipped with a massive 111 kWh battery that provides an EPA estimated range of about 300 miles on a single charge, while dual-motor all-wheel drive delivers a staggering 655 horsepower and 646 pound-feet of torque, making this ultra-luxury EV capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Performance is only one part of the story though, because Cadillac wanted the Celestiq to stand at the intersection of art and engineering. Every model is built by hand at GM's Artisan Center in Warren, Michigan, and each customer goes through a design consultation where they can choose materials, colors, finishes and bespoke details to ensure no two Celestiq models are alike. This kind of one-on-one bespoke treatment is typically associated with brands like Rolls-Royce or Bentley, and Cadillac is now competing directly in that space with a starting price north of $300,000. The Celestiq is not meant to be mass-produced, it is meant to be a showcase of ultimate luxury and personal expression. The design is futuristic yet unmistakably Cadillac. The front fascia is defined by a dramatic light signature, vertical daytime running lights, sleek horizontal headlamps and a wide illuminated grille element that immediately signals this is the flagship of the brand. The silhouette flows like a grand touring coupe even though it is technically a large liftback sedan, and the rear is equally dramatic with sharp taillights, a sloping roofline and a power-operated hatch that gives the car both elegance and practicality. The roof is another area where Cadillac has pushed boundaries. It features a 4-quadrant smart glass panel using suspended particle device technology which allows each passenger to individually adjust the transparency of their section of the roof, meaning the driver can have more light while the rear passengers can dim theirs for shade all at the same time. This feature alone separates the Celestiq from nearly every other luxury car on the market. Stepping inside the cabin is like walking into a concept car that made it to production. The interior is dominated by a stunning 55-inch pillar-to-pillar display that stretches across the dashboard, providing information, entertainment and passenger functions in a seamless digital expanse. The driver and front passenger each have their own portion of the screen, while rear passengers enjoy individual displays integrated into the seatbacks, creating a fully immersive tech environment. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, hand-finished wood or metal accents, and in many cases 3D printed components are used to allow intricate designs that would be impossible through traditional manufacturing. Over 100 3D printed parts are used in every Celestiq, and large aluminum mega castings form the underbody, giving the structure rigidity while reducing weight, noise and vibration. Cadillac has also made sure the Celestiq is as quiet and smooth as possible using advanced sound insulation, active noise cancellation and adaptive air suspension that can adjust to different road conditions to deliver a ride that is both serene and responsive. Technologically, the car features Ultra Cruise, GM's advanced driver assistance system, which builds on Super Cruise and aims to deliver hands-free driving in up to 95% of scenarios across mapped roads in the United States and Canada. This makes the Celestiq one of the most advanced self-driving capable cars available, and future software updates will further enhance these capabilities. The audio system is another highlight, a 38-speaker AKG Studio Reference setup that surrounds passengers with crisp high-fidelity sound and turns the cabin into a rolling concert hall. Add to that the 4-zone microclimate control, heated, ventilated and massaging seats, and the interior of the Celestiq feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. Each element of this vehicle was designed to deliver comfort, convenience and status in equal measure. When it comes to charging, Cadillac has ensured the Celestiq meets modern expectations. It supports DC fast charging at up to around 200 kilowatts, allowing it to add roughly 78 miles of range in just 10 minutes under optimal conditions, while home charging options include an 11.5 kilowatts onboard AC charger for overnight replenishing. While the 300-mile range may not break records, it is more than sufficient for the clientele this car targets, who are likely to use it for city driving, business trips or chauffeured experiences rather than cross-country journeys. The Celestiq is not just about numbers, it is about image, exclusivity and making a statement in a world where electric luxury often feels dominated by Tesla, Porsche, Mercedes-Benz and Lucid. Cadillac is carving carving out a unique space by leaning on its American heritage and blending it with futuristic technology. The fact that it is built in the United States by hand adds to its appeal, especially for buyers who want something rare, bespoke and distinctly different. The price tag starting in the mid-300,000s positions it in the same realm as Rolls-Royce Spectre, Bentley Flying Spur or Mercedes Maybach EQS, but Cadillac is hoping to attract buyers who want to own something that feels concept car-like yet entirely usable. The Celestiq is not a volume product. Cadillac does not expect to sell tens of thousands each year. Instead, it is about halo branding, drawing attention to Cadillac's design and engineering prowess and signaling that the brand is serious about reclaiming its title as the standard of the world, which it proudly held in the early 20th century. The Celestiq is the most ambitious car Cadillac has produced in decades, representing not just a new model but a new philosophy where technology, personality,